Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 5, Module 3, Lesson 15 homework. So let's get started. Solve the word problems using the RDW strategy. Show all of your work. So RDW, read, draw, and write. So number 1, a baker buys a 5-pound bag of sugar. She uses 1 2/3 pound to make some muffins and 2 3/4 pound to make a cake. How much sugar does she have left? So let's draw a tape diagram. We know she bought a bag that was 5 pounds, so that is the total she has. She uses 1 2/3 for the muffins and 2 3/4 for the cake. And this is how much she has left, and this is what we're trying to figure out. So it's 5 minus 1 2/3 minus 2 3/4. So we can do first, we can add 1 2/3 and 2 3/4 together to find out how much she used altogether. So 1 2/3 minus 2 3/4. We have to find a common denominator, which would be 12. So to get 2/3 to 12, we have to multiply by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, minus 2, and 3/4 we multiply by 3. That's 9 12. Here's strategy. 1 minus 2 and 9 12. Wait. Hold on. Oh my god, they're adding. Oh my god. Guys. That's kind of stupid. Alright, 1 and 8 12s plus 2 and 9 12s. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 plus 8 12 plus 9 12 equals 3 and 17 12, which is 4 and 5 12s. So this is how much she used. So to find out how much she has left, we do 5 minus 4 and 5 12s, which is 1 minus 5 12s, which is 7 12s. So that is our answer. That means she has 7/12 pounds of sugar left. Alright, number 2. Boxer needs to lose 3.5 kilograms in a month to be able to compete as a flyweight. In 3 weeks, he lowers his weight from 55.5 kilograms to 53.8 kilograms. How many kilograms must the boxer lose in the final week to be able to compete as a flyweight? Alright, so let's draw our tape diagram. So his total goal here is to lose 3.5 pounds. So first we have to find out how much he lost in 3 weeks, and then how much he'll lose in the final week. So we know in 3 weeks he went from 55.5 to 53.8. So to find the difference, we need to subtract. Alright, 5 minus 8, borrow 10, 15 minus 8 is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So 1.7, or 1 7/10, is how much he lost in 3 weeks. 1 7/10. Now, we need to find out, so now we can do 3 1/2 minus 1 7/10 to find out how much he must lose in the final week. We can convert 3 1/2 multiplied by 5 to get 3 5/10 minus 1 7/10. And we have our numerator here that's bigger, so we can do the strategy. 3 minus 1 7/10 equals 2 minus 7/10 which is 1 3/10. We have to add back that 5/10. So our answer is 1 8/10. And if you divide it by 2, you get 1 4/5. So 1 4/5. That means the boxer must lose 1 4/5 kilograms in the final week. So yeah. Alright, next page. Number 3, a construction company builds a new rail lane from town A to town B. They complete 1 1/4 miles in their first week of work and 1 2/3 miles in the second week. If they still have 25 3/4 miles left to build, what is the distance from town A to town B? Alright, so first they complete 1 1/4 miles in the first week. We can title it week 1. And now they have 1 2/3 miles done in week 2, the second week. And now it's saying here they still have 25 3/4 miles left to build. So what we're trying to figure out is the total length, total number of miles. So to do that, we need to add everything up. 1 1/4 plus 1 2/3 plus 25 3/4. So here I'm going to add the like denominators, like the similar denominators with the same number as denominator. So 1 1/4 and 25 3/4 both have 4 as their denominator. So without converting, I can just add this together. 1 plus 25 is 26, plus 1/4 plus 3/4 is 4/4, which will give us 27. Now we can do 27 plus 1 2/3, which is just 28 2/3. So that is our answer. That means the distance from town A to town B is 28 2/3 miles. Alright, number 4. A catering company needs 8.75 pounds of shrimp for a small party. They buy 3 2/3 pounds of jumbo shrimp, 2 5/8 pounds of mini-sized shrimp, and some medium-sized shrimp and some mini shrimp. How many pounds of mini shrimp do they buy? Alright, a tape diagram. The total is 8.75, or 8 7/75. So they already have, let's see, 3 2/3 pounds of jumbo shrimp, 2 5/8 pounds of medium-sized shrimp. We want to find out how much mini shrimp they bought. Alright, so we can add 3 2/3 plus 2 5/8 to see how much shrimp they have already right now. So we need a common we need at least common multiple, 3 and 8, so that'd be 24. 3 2/3 times 8, that's 16/24. Plus 2, 5/8 times 3 is 15/24. So that'll give us 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 16/24, plus 15/24. That's 5 31/24, which is 6 7/24. So that's how much shrimp they have already, not including the mini shrimp. So to find out the total amount of mini shrimp they bought, we do 8 75/100, which actually You can simplify by dividing by 4. So I give you 8. And then 75 divided by 4 is... Wait, hold on. Oh, not divide. Wait. It wasn't divided by 4, it was divided by 25. Oh my god. Wait. Was it? It was like just 1/4. Wait, no, wait, oh my god, what am I doing? 3/4. Yeah, 24 divided by 24. So you get 3/4. So that's 8 and 3/4. So 8 and 3/4. And then subtract the shrimp we have of the jumbo medium. 6 and 7/24. We have to change the 3/4. So we can multiply by 6 to get 18 over 24 minus 6 and 7/24. 8 minus 6 is 2. 18 minus 7 is 11. So 2 and 11/24 is our answer. Okay, so they buy 2 and 11/24 pounds of mini shrimp. Alright, number 5. Mark breaks up a 9-hour drive into 3 segments. He drives 2.5 hours before stopping for lunch. After driving some more, he stopped for gas. If the second segment of his drive was 1 2/3 hours longer than the first segment, how long did he drive after stopping for gas? Alright, so our tape diagram. We know the total is 9 hours. So first he drives 2.5 hours. So that's segment 1. And then he drives some more, the second segment, but we don't know how much. But we do know that the second segment has everything that segment 1 has, but 1 2/3 hours longer. So we can do this. This is segment 2. And then we have the third segment. So we want to find out the third segment, how long he drove. So what you do first is find out segment 2. So 2 1/2 plus 1 2/3. We have to convert the denominators to 6. 1/2 times 3 is 3 over 6. Plus 2/3 times 2 is 4 over 6. Which is 3 and 7/6. 4 and 1/6. So that's the second segment. And now that we know the second segment, we can add 2 1/2, or after converted, that's 2 and 3/6, plus the second segment, 4 and 1/6, which 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 and 4/6. So that is the total, the first and second segment. So now all we have to do is to find out third segment by subtracting. So 9 minus 6 and 4/6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 minus 4/6. And that would be 2 and 2/6. Yeah. And 2 and 2/6 can simplify it to 2 and 1/3. So that's our answer. That means he drove 2 and 1/3 hours after getting gas. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!